I am here to show you in this video that you can be strong and healthy and fit and get adequate protein levels on a vegan or raw vegan diet. I interview so many people who are thriving, plant-based, vegan, raw vegan, and they are definitely getting enough protein. So I'm going to show you guys how to get adequate levels and my personal top favorite proteins in this video. So if you don't already know me, I've been doing this lifestyle of fully raw vegan diet for nearly 8 years. Nothing has truly transformed my life more or made my life better than choosing this lifestyle. It has truly done wonders for my mind, body, and spirit. And recently, I have got really big into working out. And just so you guys know, I'm 5'7", I weigh 129.8. So the raw vegan diet, getting protein or holding weight, holding calories is no problem at all if you do it properly. So here I'm going to show you my top protein sources. As my recent interest in fitness and working out, it has made me super interested in protein. I do think protein is important. They are the building blocks for our body, and we do still want to make sure we're getting enough protein, in my opinion. So my number one source, and this is inspired from my dear friend Shane Sterling over at Raw Vegan Rising. You guys see him on my channel. He is a regular. He is 51. He is clearly thriving, and he has built great muscle. And I know one of his, if not his top favorite, is lentils. So he has shown me how to prepare lentils, and just 1 cup of soaked lentils has nearly 50 grams of protein. That is freaking huge, you guys. That is so much. Even my husband said today, wow, maybe I can replace that with steak and eat more plants. Maybe I could do this after all. So that is huge, and they are actually delicious. This is also a super inexpensive, budget-friendly way that anybody can add more protein into their diet. And then they make a great addition to an evening salad. I put about 1 cup at least in my salad, loaded it with other proteins like pumpkin seeds, and a nice dressing. So good, and you're getting your protein needs met. So next up, speaking of pumpkin seeds and seeds, this brings me to the next category. Seeds actually have a lot of protein. Did you guys know hemp seeds? This is one of my favorites. Just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds has approximately 10 grams of protein. This is actually great blended in some of my salad dressings. I'll put my recipe ebook down below. Hemp seeds also make a great addition sprinkled over a salad or in smoothies, many other different recipes. And chia seeds and flax seeds are also loaded with protein, and these are easy things to add into your smoothie. I'm a big lover of smoothies. Next up, we have fruits and vegetables. You get decent levels of protein from fruits and vegetables as well. And my personal favorites in the vegetable category are kale, spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, avocado, and sugar snap peas. Did you guys know these are mine and my kids' favorite little snack on the go? Just 1 cup of sugar snap peas has approximately 6 grams of protein. And next up, we have protein powder. Speaking of peas, why do you guys think that they use that for pea protein? Because it's loaded with protein. So these are my 2 current faves. We have Pyridine, which I'll link down below, Lou Coronas. He's 72 and he's been thriving on a raw foods vegan diet for 51 years. So he personally makes this. I know it is like the cleanest product out there. It is very high quality, very amazing. And it comes in at 21 grams of protein per 2 scoops, which is amazing, you guys. These are great things to add into your smoothie, into your coconut almond yogurts, different recipes and things like that. And Naked Pea, this is also not sponsored, one of my faves as well. Currently grab this off Amazon. Very budget friendly. And in 2 scoops, it comes in at 27 grams of protein. You guys, there's no excuses. You can get protein on these foods. And next up, we have Nutritional Yeast. I know this is a big favorite in the vegan community. This is not only loaded with B12 and vitamin D, but you get great adequate levels of protein in this as well. Just 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast comes in at a whopping 8 grams of protein, you guys. And also, before I forget, tell me in the comments down below your guys' favorite protein. And next up, we can't forget about nuts. Nuts are loaded with protein, so healthy for us. And my personal favorites for protein, cashews, almonds. I use these in many different recipes. I make milks out of them, throw them into my smoothies, and also just snack on them by the handful. Macadamia nuts, walnuts are high in protein, and Brazil nuts. Not only are they high in selenium, did you guys know just 2 Brazil nuts comes in at a whopping approximate 2 grams of protein? I thought this would be a great video to make for you guys because I do get the question often, where do you get your protein? And in my opinion, it is a very important topic. So I have shown you top protein sources in my opinion, and not only my opinion, backed by the science. And I think these are amazing. They make me feel great. I look forward forward to bringing you guys along with my greater fitness transformation, including more protein. Let me know down below what are your top protein sources, and be sure to follow this channel for lots of amazing videos. I do so many amazing podcasts on this channel with experts in the vegan, plant-based, raw vegan field, and we feature many everyday amazing people who aren't necessarily known from being famous doctors or famous influencers. They have personal, incredible transformations. So this channel is amazing, and you're gonna just find so much goodness on here. So be sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to let me know down below your favorite top protein sources, what kind of diet you eat, what diet you think is important for our body, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.